Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to be planting some beautiful sage. Now my sage over this winter, we had this really weird moment where we beat Prudhoe Bay, Alaska out as far as low temps, and of course my beautiful purple sage died. And so we're going to go on ahead and we are going to get this beautiful sage out here. Now this is not a purple sage. This is a Bergarten sage, but it should still take off. I actually have a nice amount of space cleared out just for this sage. So I'm hoping that by giving it a little bit more space, it won't be competing with the lavender and the marjoram and of course our chamomile. Hopefully that means that we will be having this particular sage for many years to come. So let me go on ahead and walk you through how I plant these guys out while my chicken is laying an egg. And we will see you here in just a minute. Okay, beautiful friends, so planting out herbs is actually one of the easiest things that you can do because 9 times out of 10, herbs really don't want a lot of nutrition in the soil. They don't need a whole lot of fertilizing. They just don't need a whole lot of maintenance overall. So if you are a beginner gardener, herbs might be the way to start getting into gardening. Now, all I have done here, as you can see, I have topped off this bed. But what I've topped it off with is a topsoil that is just mildly enriched with a little bit of compost, so it's not real heavy when it comes to the nutrition factor. And I'm just going to squeeze that, and we've got a beautiful root system, almost getting to the root bound stage, but not quite. And I'm just going to kind of break up the roots slightly, give it a little bit of abuse. Herbs are not something that you need to treat like precious treasure. I hate to say that. If you treat an herb, and I know I made this mistake, I made the mistake of treating herbs like they were this very special, breakable thing. And that was probably the worst thing that I could do because, well, frankly, herbs are tough. Side note, eggs. So yeah, herbs are super duper resilient and they are really hard to kill. I found that being said, I did find that when I treated them like they were China dolls, I did end up killing them. However, when I learned to just put them in and leave them alone, to stop worrying about giving them a whole lot of nutrition or doing a whole lot of things with them, they took off. And I have herbs usually coming out of my ears every single year. So if you have struggled with growing herbs, give them not so great soil and don't treat them like China dolls, and they will grow for you. That's my top tips for growing an herb. Now, I am going to include at the end of this video some other herb content. If you are interested in learning how to herb garden, I do have content on that, so I'm going to include that video at the end of this video. And I am also going to be dropping my free guide down below for you to grab today so that you can learn to small space garden wherever you are at. And guys, as always, keep it simple, natural, and essential. We'll see you on the next video. Bye.